In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share notebooks publicly in Notebooklm. Now, whether you're collaborating with colleagues or simply want to share your notes with friends, this process is quick and easy. Just stick with me for the next few minutes, and you'll have your notebooks shared in no time. First, you'll want to begin by opening the notebook you wish to share in Notebooklm. As you navigate through your collection of notebooks, just click on the one you're focusing on today. Opening it up brings all your notes to your fingertips and allows you to share them just as easily. This step is crucial because you need to be inside the notebook you're intending to share to proceed. Now, the next thing you'll want to do is look towards the top right corner of the interface. Here, you'll find the share icon, often depicted as a small figure or a symbol associated with networking. Click on this icon to begin the sharing process. Once you've hit the share icon, it's time to add the email address of the person you want to share your notebook with. This is how they will receive the invitation and link to view or collaborate on your notes. Make sure to double check for any typos in their email address. An error here could prevent your recipient from receiving the invite or lead it to the wrong person. After entering the email address, you will need to choose the level of permissions you want to grant them. This is an important decision as it determines how much control the recipient will have over your notebook. Options typically include view-only access, which allows the recipient to see your notes but not make any changes, and edit access, which grants them the ability to make edits, which can be useful for collaborative projects. Consider what best suits your needs and the nature of your collaboration. With the permissions set, your final step is to send the invite. Double-check everything one last time, from the recipient's email address to the permission level, ensuring you're ready to share your ideas and data. Once you're satisfied, simply hit that send button. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully shared your notebook via Notebooklm. Whether for work or personal use, you can now collaborate and communicate ideas effectively and seamlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need a reminder or encounter any hiccups along the way. Thanks for watching, and happy note sharing.